Alright, so in this video I'll try to solve these maths. You can see, check this. Yeah, so these maths, this like the some data are given. From this data we have to find out if this data represents some exponential or linear or neither, and then we have to find out the which exponential or which linear function resembles this data. So we have to find out these things. I hope you have the worksheet, like keep this worksheet in your hands so that you can actually check when I'm doing this maths. Okay, I hope you have the worksheet. All right, I will start it now. So first data, I think I have planned. The plan is like I think I should do first 26 and 27 number. 26 because 26 number first. If I will do at least two maths elaborately. G of x minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is given. This is 26 number. I'm not doing 25 number because 25 number is not a linear, is not exponential. Why it is not linear, why it is not exponential, you will understand when I will solve this 26 and 27 number. Because 26 and 27 number is one portion is linear, one portion is exponential. So same x, then they say this is h of x, so minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Values are given 1 by 4, 1, 1 by 4, 1, 4, 16, 64. So these are the values given. These are the two maths which is given in the worksheet. Now you can see the main rules is like if we have the values, look at the difference. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Then 8 minus 5 equals to 3. 11 minus 8 equals to 3. 14 minus 11 equals to 3. So when you subtract it, like subtract every consecutive number, like every second number divided minus the first number, if you see the difference is some constant number, then this data is linear. This side is already gap is 1, so you do not have to worry about it. See, this side is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so linear already. This side linear means the gap is always same. In this case here also gap is same. So this data is actually linear data. This data is actually linear data, and the linear function is defined as, suppose if I define a function by g of x, then it will be y equal to mx plus c, right? So in this case, what is the m is actually the common difference, or you can check with some pair of numbers also, this and this also. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is the m. You can choose any two value like 1, 8 and 2, 11. From this value you can do the calculation. But when the gap is always 1, then basically 11 minus 3, 8, that 3 will be the value of m always. Like if this set gap is 1, then just common difference is the value of the slope or m. Then plus c, the value of c is what? C is the initial value. So initial value means at x equals to 0, what is the value? That is the initial value. So this is the value of c. This is 5. So g of x equals to 3x plus 5. This is the answer of this question. This is linear and the function is this. Actually this data came from this function. We have to find out this function. That was their question. Now this is not linear because you see 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 16 minus 4 equals to 12. So when you subtract, it is not matching. That means now check if you divide, it will match, or does it match or not? So actually it will match. 1 divided by 1 by 4 means 4. 4 divided by 1 means 4. 16 divided by 4 means 4. 64 divided by 16 equals to 4. So when you divide every second number divided by the first number, suppose if these two number you considering, then 1 divided by 1 by 4. If you are considering these two number, then 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. If you're considering these two numbers, 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. So when you when you find a common ratio, if the common ratio is same, then this data is exponential. These data are exponential. So when the data are exponential, so when the data are exponential, then we have to we know the formula, main format of the exponential function, which is h of x equals to c then a to the power x. C is the initial value. Initial value means at x equals to 0, what is the value of the function? That is the value of c. In this case, it is 1. And a is the growth factor. Growth factor means the common ratio. In this case, it is 4. So this is our function. You can write it more normally also. So 4 to the power x will be the answer. So this is how we get the answer. Like, first of all, we have to check if it is linear or exponential. Then if it comes linear, then linear will come if you see the difference is same number. In this case, it is 3. In other method, it will be like some other number. So it can be different thing also. If the difference is same, then it is linear. If the divide, if you take the ratio, always remember every second number divided. So like you cannot do this one and this one. If every consecutive two number, you have to do every second number minus first number. In this case, every second number divided by first number. This is the convention. So if difference comes same, then it is linear. If ratio comes same, then it is exponential. If the difference and ratio none is same, then it is neither. It is not exponential. It is not linear. It is neither. This is then neither data. The 25 number is neither. 25 number is neither. What happened there? Anyway, neither. Sorry about the noise. So this is 25 number is neither. So that means neither. Why? Because if you look at the data, basically it will not match. It will not match with anything. You see the gap and the ratio, nothing is same in that number math. Let me show you that. I think you have the data with you. So if you see 6 minus 3 equal to 3, then 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Difference is not matching. Already one time, like first two number difference is 3, second two number difference is 6. So it is not linear. Then if you divide, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, 12 divided by 6 equals to 2, 18 divided by 12 is not equal to 2. So in 18 and 12 it is not division matching. So basically if you divide, it will not match if it is not exponential data. So I think 25, 26 and 27 is gone. I will just quickly talk about the answers of other questions so that you can just match. Basic idea is the same, like from these three math, all the math you can do. Basically all the maths are same here. 25, 26, 27, now 28 number. 28 number is exponential and the function will be f of x equals to 1 into 3 by 2 to the power x. In this case, common ratio is 3 by 2. Why f of x? Because function is defined by f of x. 28 and 29 number. 29 number is exponential. So f of x equals to 3 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x. We can write this way also. 2 to the power x. I think we should write this way. I mean, we should keep it this way. Anyway, 30 number is neither. And 31 number is h of x equals to twice x plus 4. Twice x plus 4. 31. 32 number answer is f of x equals to 1 by 4, then 1 by 2 to the power x. 32 number answer, if you look basically for this 34 number. Okay, let me write the data so that you can see. It looks like this math is very difficult. I mean, you may think this way: x, then f of x. The data is given minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then data are given 1 by 2, then 1 by 4. Sorry for writing it so small letter, small alphabet. Then 1 by 8, 1 by 8, then 1 by 16, 1 by 32, 1 by 16, then 1 by 32, 32, 32. So this is for 3, 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the value. Anyway, I mean, the basic idea will remain same. This is exponential, so it will match with this math, and this math will match. How do I know it is exponential? Because you see 1 divided by 4 divided by 1 divided by 2. See this 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So when it is division, then when you make it multiplication, 2 goes up, 1 comes down, then this and this cancellation, answer is 1 by 2. Right. Let me show you another one. Another same math. I will do the same one. Suppose a 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Because second number divided by first number. So when you make it multiplication, then 4 will go up, 1 will come down, this and this cancellation, 1 by 2. See, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 coming. This is the common ratio. This is the value of A. This is the value of A. Okay. This is the value of A. See, this is the value of A. And this 1 by 4 came from this value. Because at 0, this is the value of initial value. This is initial value. See. Alright, I hope it worked. Thank you all. Thank you very much for watching it. I think I will wrap up this for today here. Bye bye. See you next time.